Hi, my name is Max. I am a cloud engineer at Cloudfresh. Today I will tell you how you can merge ticket and for what it's needed. Let's imagine the situation that you have a client who contacts you from several communication channels that you provide. Let's say you have identified a client and understand that it's the same person, but Zendesk still creates tickets from different channels into separate cards. Why does this happen? Each system is unique and has its own unique user ID, so there is no ready-made tool that could identify clients. How to fix it? Using the free built functionality, we can merge two cards into one. Thus, the entire history and client data will be moved into one card. And all previous communications will also be merged into one card. A huge benefit will be that all further communications with that client from these channels will fall into one card, so your agents won't have to carry out additional searches or actions to verify information. How to do it? Let's go to Zendesk. I have two tickets and accordingly two different cards. The several client verification steps that I will now show are optional. They don't affect the functionality of card merging, but are used as an example of basic identification in Zendesk. Next, I must verify the client. In my example, I use a phone number, but you can use any other identifier that you use in your system. To do this, I check the client's phone number, after which I can add the phone number to the client's card. In the client card, I should find Add Contact button and select Add Phone Number. If the phone number is already used somewhere, the system will issue an alert and you will be able to open the profile of the second user. Next, you need to click the arrow button and select the option to merge the user into another. Next, the system will give you several recommendations based on a similar name, but you can find the required user by name, after which you need to confirm the changes. Important thing, it is impossible to cancel the user merging, but you can delete the identifier that is automatically added to the card, and thus a new card will be created during the next communication. Thank you for the watching video.